Now in this video, we're going to add the barge rafters out here in front, this gable framing that goes to at the end of our lookouts that we've just put on. So these are going to be 2x4 members that are going to be parallel with the top cords of the trusses, and it's going to give us a nailing place for our sheathing at the end of the roof on the overhang. And we're going to use this 2x4 member that we have here. I'm going to copy that and paste it up here, and let's see, put it up here. What I want to do, there's probably several different ways to do this, but what I like to do is, or the way that I've found that works for me, is to select this back corner here and put it right up at the peak at the bottom of the V here that we have. So you set it right there, okay, because that's where the bottom needs to go. That'll be the point that I'll rotate about when I move this, change the angle of this rafter so that it matches the trusses. I'm going to do that by using the rotate command. I'm going to select that corner as my first point. I'm going to make sure I get the right corner here, that corner there. And then I'm going to select for my other point somewhere out here along the rafter. Okay, now I can move it down. Then I go around to the back side and I'm going to bring that point down to the bottom of one of these lookouts, just like that. Okay, now the rafter is at the correct angle. It's a little wild, it's a little long down here. I'm just going to let it run wild. But up on top, what I'm going to do is I need to put a plumb cut on it, just like this cut here that's plumb to the ground, called a plumb cut on a truss. And I'm going to double click and pull this end of this board up to the point where it needs to be so it matches the peak here. And then I can draw a line. I'm in the edit command still for the group. I can draw a line from here straight down, okay, so that it'll give me a plumb cut. Then I can use my push-pull command and I can push that one out. And now I have a plumb cut on my rafter, and I can do the same thing with the other side, put the other rafter in place, and then I'll have to do the same all the way around. After those rafters are in place, then I can come back and do my subfascia and cut them off at the right size.